What is up, you guys? Today I have a new strategy for you. It's called the MACD strategy. So, what you have to do on this strategy is just basically check for crosses between the red and the green line. So, once you have crosses between the red and the green line, you're good to go. So, how the strategy works this is how the strategy works. You have to wait for the green line to cross the red line upwards, or either the green line to cross the red line downwards. So, let's check for potential signals. So you have a signal when the green line crosses the red line downwards, and you also see the parabolic size crossing up, is transforming from bottom to top. So from bottom it's going to top. So that's when you have potential signal. So for an up trade also, the green line crosses the red line upwards. Sorry for that. The green line crosses the red line upwards. You can see, and the parabolic saw changes from top to bottom. So as you can see, your parabolic saw changed before this crossed, but it's still a good signal. It's still okay. So as long as parabolic saw is below, you can make the trade for 2 minutes, and you'll make a profit. So as you can see here, guys, if you've made a trade here for 2 minutes, 1, 2 profit. So that's it, guys. Let's find the potential signal to show you how the strategy works. So before that, let me show you the strategy. You need an indicator. The parabolic saw is the indicator you need for this strategy. So you choose your parabolic saw, and you're also gonna need an oscillator. So you choose an oscillator, 12, 26, and 9. So once you choose your oscillator, you're gonna go back to your chart and make your trades. So guys, this strategy is just 80% profitable. It's 80%, guys. There's no 100% strategy, so you know that already. Don't let anyone fool you. We only use all this on our YouTube videos just to make people attracted to the videos. So, guys, let's check for potential signals and make a trade. GBP USD. Let's make a trade on this. No potential signal for now. So let's check for AUD/CAD. Oh, the signal passed. I had my eye on this signal before I started the video. So as you can see, it's the profit signal from top to bottom. From top to bottom, you can see, guys. So I don't even need to make a trade. This strategy is very simple, and I believe you guys will be profitable. So I didn't make a video on Monday. This video was supposed to be posted on Monday, but due to some internet problems, I couldn't upload the video to YouTube. So the video is available now. You can watch this video. So the $100 giveaway is still on. We're on our road to 50,000. Oh, I mean 50 subscribers. So once we get to 50 subscribers, we're gonna make the $100 giveaway. So like this video and comment giveaway in the previous video. Comment giveaway in the previous video to contest for the giveaway. So even if you don't put your comment giveaway, you will still be in for the giveaway, because I'm gonna give $100 to a random subscriber. So subscribe to the channel to participate in the giveaway. So let's continue. So I believe I've shown you everything you need for this strategy. So that's all. Let's just check for more trades if we can find a profitable trade. So let's check. So guys, you can see all you need to do is just follow the strategy. You make profits. You can see up and down, up and down. So you can see, guys, if there's any part of the video that you don't understand, you can contact me. Or you guys can see we have a signal here. So let's make the trade. You can see from down to top. You can see the parabolic saw came from down. Oh, sorry about that. From down, and it came to the top, so it's coming downwards. So let's wait for the trade. You guys can see it crossed. So let's wait. So we're waiting for the signal to come to an end. So let's check for other potential signals. I'm very sure you guys would have watched tons of videos, tons of saying 100% strategy. To be honest, guys, there is no 100% strategy, but you can make 100% trades if you're consistent and you're really patient. The only way you can make 100% strategy since the beginning of a trade is maybe you just trade once a day on a perfect signal. But if you want to make profit, if you want to make more money, you have to take the risk. If you're not willing to take the risk, you're not gonna make money. So take the risk and make the money. So it's not all about positive trades. Just have more positive trades than negative trades. So let's go for this. You can see, guys, the trade is coming. It's coming back down and it's going back up again. So you guys can see. I think we're gonna lose this trade, but don't worry about losing the trade. Just be patient, be calm. You're definitely gonna make profits. So when I first started binary options, I made a lot of loss also. So it's not about the loss, it's about the profits. One loss cannot stop you from making a lot of money. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Bye.